In this problem, we're going to look at number 5. In number 5, we know that there are 300 total people who are different ages and have different shoe preferences. We've got everything from sneakers without laces to sneakers with laces, or even prefers shoes that are not sneakers. And then looking here at our rows, we have 4 to 10-year-olds, 11 to 17-year-olds, and 24 and 18-year-olds. So the first thing it asks us is what proportion of the people in the survey prefer sneakers with laces? So this is going to be total people in the survey. How many people is that? 300. Okay, and how many of those people prefer laces? Well, sneakers with laces in total is 114. So we know that 114 out of 300 people prefer laces. Now this is something that you could put into your Desmos calculator, and you could divide 114 into 300 to see what you get. And if I do that in my calculator here, 114 divided by 300 is 0.38, which is 38%. So the answer here, what proportion, is right here, but you could also think of it in percents if that helps you. The next thing we're going to look at is the proportion of people who are 11 to 17 years old who preferred shoes that are not sneakers. So this time we're only looking at the people who are 11 to 17 years old. So 11 to 17-year-olds, there are a total of 108 people. And we want to look at shoes that are not sneakers. So shoes that are not sneakers is right here, shoes that are not sneakers. So for this B, we're looking just at the 39 out of 108 people, because that is all of our 11 to 17-year-olds and just the particular value that we care about there, the shoes that are not sneakers. The last thing that we have to look at in this table here is we are going to look at the proportion of people who prefer sneakers without laces and how many of those people are 18 to 25 years old. Well, that means that first of all, we are only going to be looking at the people who prefer sneakers without laces, which are sneakers without laces right here. There's 57 total people. And we want to know how many of those 57 total people are 18 to 25-year-olds. Right here, 15 of them. So we can put both of those values into our calculator to find out what our decimal is. So I have 39 divided by 108. In my calculator is 0.361, which would be about 36%. And I have my last one here, 15 divided by 57, which in my calculator is 0.263, which is about 26%.